guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a bit of a different video. I have the Brownie Flash 2 here. We're going to be doing, a couple of people have been telling me to do a beginner guide. So basically what today's video is, if you want to get into film cameras, this is basically a camera that you probably, it's simple and it looks really nice, it's not rare. And it's the, I just told you, but this is the Brownie Flash 2. It's a really simple camera. I'm going to show you how to open it. First, you want to clip that up and fold this down. Then, you're going to pull that out as far as it goes. Then you're going to grip it there by the sides, pull this out. Now, this is 620 so much as the film exposed. 620 is just the panorama film. You can use it as long as it's 620. It will work. You basically pop it in there. And you click like that. It's ready. Then you're basically just gonna put it. My iPhone has a few little cracks and stuff in it, but you know that's okay. Give me a take. Then you're gonna pop it in there. Might have to do this off camera. But basically, pop it into the little slot on the other film reel. It's very tricky to do. Well, not tricky, but my film is in quite bad condition. Then, slide it. Or that in there. Put that in. And then, you wind it so it clicks. Then, that's your viewfinder, so you basically hold it and look down on top of that. And that's it. Bye guys.